Okay, let's go.
Are you ready to take your DIY projects to the next level but worried about breaking the bank? Whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting out, finding the right tools can make all the difference. The right gear not only helps you work smarter, but also saves you time, money, and frustration. Today I'm excited to share 23 must-have Amazon tools that are true game changers for 2025. These tools are designed to solve everyday problems, streamline your workflow, and make every building project more enjoyable and efficient. From clever gadgets you never knew you needed, to tried and true essentials, there's something here for every skill level. We'll cover everything from precision layout gear that ensures your cuts are perfect, to powerful tools that speed up your work, and essential safety equipment to keep you protected. These are the tools that will become the backbone of your workshop and help you tackle any project with confidence. Let's dive in and discover what's new for 2025. Meet the Saker 10-inch contour gauge, a genius tool for tracing complex shapes. Press it against any object, lock the shape, and transfer it to your material. No more guesswork or wasted material. A must-have for trim work, flooring, or tiling. The SWANSON 7-inch speed square is a versatile classic, trusted by generations of carpenters and woodworkers. Its compact triangular design makes it easy to carry and even easier to use, whether you're on a job site or working in your garage at home. This tool is instantly recognizable and has become a staple in toolboxes everywhere thanks to its reliability and multifunctionality. Perfect for marking 90-degree lines on lumber, the speed square also doubles as a protractor, allowing you to quickly measure and mark angles for rafters, stairs, and more. Its thick edge lets you use it as a saw guide, ensuring straight, accurate cuts every time. Whether you're framing a house or building a birdhouse, this tool adapts to your needs. Made from heavy-duty aluminum, the SWANSON Speed Square is built to last. It resists rust and corrosion, and its markings are deeply etched, so they won't fade with use. This durability makes it an essential companion for any woodworking project, big or small, and a cornerstone of carpentry for both professionals and hobbyists. Use it for marking, checking corners for squareness, and guiding your saw for perfectly straight cuts. Its versatility means you can rely on it for layout, measurement, and even as a quick reference for common rafter lengths and angles. The solid aluminum body withstands drops, impacts, and the daily wear and tear of a busy workshop, all while remaining accurate and dependable. You don't have to worry about it bending or breaking even after years of use. It's a must-have for beginners learning the basics, as well as seasoned woodworkers who demand precision and efficiency. No matter your skill level, the Speed Square helps you work smarter and faster. Its simple, elegant design means there's no learning curve. Just pick it up and get to work. The Speed Square is proof that sometimes the simplest tools are the most effective. Add it to your tool belt, and you'll quickly see why it's considered a true game changer. The SWANSON 7. Speed Square is more than just a measuring tool, it's an indispensable part of every successful project. The PECHAM 24-piece blade set is a budget-friendly solution for your oscillating multi-tool. With a variety of blades for wood, plastic, and metal, it's perfect for any DIY task. Affordable and reliable, it's a must-have for multi-tool owners. The SKIL Corded Detail. Sander is perfect for tight corners and complex shapes. Its multifunction design and attachments make sanding a breeze. With a built-in dust collection system, it's efficient and mess-free. Elevate your project's finish with this essential tool. The Genesis Dual Temp Heat Gun is versatile for DIY and craft projects. With dual temperature settings, it's perfect for stripping paint, bending PVC, and more. A must-have for any workshop, it's a problem solver you'll reach for often. Unlock your artistic potential with the Dremel carving and engraving kit. With a variety of bits for wood, metal, and glass, it's perfect for adding personal touches. A fantastic investment for creativity and detail work. Keep your utility knife sharp with the CRAFTSMAN 100 pack of blades. At just a few cents per blade, there's no excuse for using a dull knife. A sharp blade ensures safety and precision in your work. An essential bulk purchase for any workshop. The 20-piece Carbide Burr bit set is perfect for aggressive shaping and material removal. Made from tungsten carbide, They're durable and efficient for metal, wood, and plastic. A must-have for metalworking and serious wood carving. This 165-piece pack of sanding discs is a bulk buy that makes sense. With a variety of grits, it's perfect for achieving a smooth, professional finish. Designed for standard 5-inch random orbit sanders, they're efficient and easy to change, an essential purchase for any woodworker. The Klein digital angle gauge is a game changer for anyone who works with power tools, whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate DIY enthusiast. Instead of relying on your eyes or old-fashioned protractors, this digital gauge takes the guesswork out of setting precise angles on your equipment. With its highly accurate digital readout, you can measure angles down to 1/10 of a degree, ensuring every cut is exactly as you intend. This level of precision means your projects will fit together perfectly, saving you time and reducing material waste. The strong magnetic base allows you to attach the gauge securely to table saw blades, miter saws, or any other ferrous surface, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of tools and applications. Whether you're setting up for a bevel cut or dialing in a tricky miter, this tool makes the process effortless. Its compact size means it fits easily in your pocket or tool bag, and the backlit display ensures you can read measurements clearly, even in dimly lit workshops or job sites. The intuitive controls make it simple to use, even if you're new to digital measuring tools. Say goodbye to misaligned joints and frustrating rework. With the Klein digital angle gauge, you'll achieve perfect, gap-free results every time, making it an essential addition to any workshop or toolbox. The Tietoc Mini Cordless Chainsaw is perfect for quick yard and shop tasks. Lightweight and maneuverable, it's great for trimming branches and cutting scrap wood. A convenient and powerful addition to any tool collection. Protect your hands with Handlandy work gloves. They offer the perfect balance of protection and dexterity. Reinforced palms and breathable material make them comfortable for all-day wear. A necessary investment for safety and comfort in your workshop. The General Tools digital moisture meter is crucial for woodworkers and homeowners. It measures wood moisture content to prevent warping and cracking. Also useful for detecting hidden water leaks in your home. A simple tool that provides critical information and saves headaches. Safety first with a quality respirator mask and safety glasses. Protect your lungs and eyes from dust, fumes, and debris. A half-mask respirator with P100 filters is essential for workshop safety. Safety glasses with side protection or goggles offer complete eye safety. Invest in your health with this essential safety gear. The DeWalt 40-piece Flex Torque set is perfect for impact drivers. Designed to handle high torque demands, it prevents bit breakage and screw stripping. A must-have for anyone using an impact driver. Upgrade your marking game with the NicPro Carpenter Mechanical Pencil Set. With consistent, precise lines and built-in sharpeners, it's perfect for accurate cuts. A small upgrade that makes a big difference in your projects. The DeWalt 45-piece screwdriver bit set is a general-purpose kit for drills and drivers. With a variety of bit types and sizes, it's perfect for everyday tasks. The modular tough case keeps everything organized and accessible. The multi-purpose laser level kit makes layout tasks fast and accurate. With bright laser lines and handy features, it's perfect for aligning cabinets and shelves, a modern solution for perfect alignment in your projects. The 5-piece putty knife set is versatile for drywall work and more. With different widths, it's perfect for patching, scraping, and spreading tasks. A must-have set for any DIYer's toolbox. The Seek 1 heavy-duty heat gun offers power and control for demanding jobs. With variable temperature settings, it's perfect for stripping paint and more. A smart investment for serious renovators and DIYers. The DeWalt 14-piece drill bit set is essential for making precise holes. With split-point tips, it prevents walking and ensures accurate drilling. A fundamental set for any DIYer's toolbox. The DeWalt anti-fog safety goggles solve the problem of fogging. With anti-fog coating and ventilation, they ensure clear vision and safety. A must-have for anyone frustrated with foggy eyewear. The Fantic F2 mini cordless rotary tool is perfect for hobbyists and detail work. Compact and cordless, it's ideal for engraving, polishing, and more. A versatile tool for fine-scale, detailed projects. We covered 23 game-changing tools that make every project smoother and more professional. From layout tools to safety must-haves, these budget-friendly picks are essential for any workshop. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next roundup.